So a few videos ago, we ended up doing a Daemon Prince of Tzeentch, and we built one out of a Daemon Prince kit and a Cockatrice kit. We took the head and the wings, and we took the legs, claws, and we turned them into actual claws, and we built sort of the top half of the Daemon Prince, and then we used the Daemon Prince kit's legs and tail to do the bottom half. So we finished that. We had the other parts left over, and we said that we were going to use those to do a Daemon Prince of Slaanesh down the road. So we just finished our Daemon Prince of Slaanesh, and before I paint it and prime it, I wanted to kind of provide a video just review of it. What we did was use the rest of the kit from the Daemon Prince and the Cockatrice. So we used the tail, which is here. It came in 3 parts, one here. You can see the fine divide line there. Second part was here. Third part was there. We used the top half of the Daemon Prince, the chest and back part, attached the wings. We used 2 claws because I thought that would be the most efficient way of doing it, since most of the time we use the claws. And I did magnetize the hand so we could add either the axe or the sword as needed. So that's sort of our Daemon Prince of Slaanesh, which is snake-like. And then this is our Daemon Prince of Tzeentch, which is used out of the same kit. So 2 kits provided 2 Daemon Princes. The only other things we did was we took the horns off the Daemon Prince head and glued it onto this action figure head that we stole here. So we ripped the head off of that, glued it in place, had to hollow it out a little bit inside, glued the horns on, and what we've got is a female Daemon Prince, Slaanesh, it goes either way. We filed down all the areas. We added a bit more grooves on the back end to blend in with the rest of the scales. And then we sanded down the chest as well, just so that it looks discolored, but it'll go away once we spray paint it. We need a little bit more filler in this arm, I just noticed, where the pieces didn't quite line up. But for the most part, we now have 2 Daemon Princes out of the same kit. So at some point in the future, we'll do a painting video for this one once we've primed it all over. And then priming should cover up the face and allow us to paint a new face on there. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope it gave you some ideas for some kit bashes that you could do. And if you're interested in something like this, feel free to stay tuned because we do things like this all the time. Otherwise than that, just leave a like or a comment if you don't like it, or if you do like it, or if you want to change things or don't change things. Really up to you guys. Otherwise than that, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. That's about it. And we will see you at the next little review video we do at some point down the road.